Hey folks, if you've ever found yourself asking which pocket knife should I actually carry every day, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 5 outstanding EDC knives that balance performance, price, and pocket-worthy design. Let's jump straight in. This one's is a crowd favorite for good reason. Designed by Rick Hinderer, the Kershaw Cryo G10 brings tactical strength in a compact form. You're getting a 2.75-inch stone-washed stainless steel blade, durable, sharp, and ready for abuse. That G10 front scale paired with stainless steel gives solid grip without the bulk, and the SpeedSafe assisted opening makes one-handed deployment effortless. Add in the frame lock and 4-way deep carry clip, and you've got a knife that feels like it costs more than it does. This knife is for urban adventurers, gearheads, and anyone who values form blended with hardcore function. It's a standout because it nails that sweet spot between affordability, quality, and design pedigree. Check the description for links. If minimalist is your vibe, the Gerber Zilch is calling your name. With its 3.1-inch blade and ultra-slim fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, this knife disappears into your pocket, but shows up big when you need it. Whether you're slicing tape, breaking down boxes, or trimming rope, this folder handles it. The thumb stud and liner lock provide solid control, and its understated look fits almost any outfit or setup. This one's made for students, light duty workers, and folks who want utility without screaming tactical. In a crowded field of budget folders, Zilch stands out by being impossibly thin, yet impressively capable. Check the description for links. A fixed blade in an EDC lineup? You bet. The Morakniv Eldris shatters expectations by being compact, safe, and incredibly versatile. Its 2.2-inch Sandvik stainless steel blade is razor sharp with a Scandi grind, easy to sharpen and built for control. The polymer handle offers a solid grip, and the plastic sheath clicks in with authority. Ideal for campers, hikers, and anyone who values no-nonsense tools. This knife even boasts fire starter compatibility and net carry options. What makes the Eldris special? It's proof that fixed blades can be small, safe, and every bit as portable as folders. Check the description for links. Stylish, slim, and smart. This one feels more like a luxury pen than a knife. The CRKT CEO Compact boasts a high-carbon stainless steel blade that opens silky smooth thanks to its IKBS ball bearing system. It flips open fast with the discreet flipper tab and locks up tight with the liner lock. The glass-reinforced nylon handle is feather light, and the deep carry pocket clip keeps it hidden in your shirt or suit pocket. If you're in office environments or want something sleek for formal carry, this is your go-to. In the market of gentlemen's knives, the CEO Compact dominates with elegance and mechanical finesse. Check the description for links. We've also got the cold steel KIRIDASHI. Inspired by traditional Japanese utility knives, this 2.5-inch sheepsfoot blade is precise, tough, and built to work. Made from 4034 SS stainless steel and paired with a Grivex handle, it's lightweight, but incredibly strong. The tri-ad locking system is practically overbuilt, which means it won't fail you. Whether you're woodworking, doing detailed carving, or just want a sturdy tool in your pocket, this one gets it done. It's a standout in the tactical space thanks to its compact size, outstanding lock strength, and refined utility-first design. Check the description for links. There you have it, 5 EDC knives that are pocket-worthy, job-ready, and packed with personality. Whether you lean tactical, minimalist, outdoorsy, or executive class, one of these blades is bound to feel like your next everyday essential. Drop a comment below with your favorite and hit that like button if you're into gear that's built to be used, not just admired.